Chur whanau. How are we? How are we doing? Chur everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Oh, come on. Yo, Ferox, brother, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. We just started. But, thank you, brother. Yeah, you didn't have to do that, brother. Thank you. And congrats to those that got a gifted sub from the bro. Say thank you. And Dylan, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. And Jamie's, well, for gifting a sub. Oh, come on, man, we just started. Samurai and Puta Mobile, thank you very much, guys. Once again, you can watch for free. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna chill first and have my tea like I always do. How's everyone anyway? Holy hell, can we make a shirt with that thing? He says they're not being made now. Ferox, how do I buy some carvings? How do I buy some carvings? Ferox, so I've got a current commission that I have to finish first, and then once I finish that, then I'll be taking 5, because I can't do more than that at a time. Oh, I can, but it'll take long. Arcade War Machine, Cereal Bites, Mr. Boom, oh jeez, Naps, Tabluke, Oso, and Home Doll. Thank you guys for the subs. Bro, just come and watch. I'm just drinking tea. Just moved out, wish me luck. Oh, congrats, brother. You'll be all good. I remember the day I moved out. Watching your videos, give it the good vibes. You're all special. Thank you very much, man. For the resub, didn't have to. Chur, Roy. Kia ora, brother. And J1, Caden, thank you very much for the bits, man. We're just talking at the moment. You don't have to do that, bro. Just make sure you guys look after yourselves firstly. Good. Green 9595. Thanks for the bits, brother. You can just comment without saying them. I'll give you them. In your mind, if I simp on you real quick, Chur crispy snipe. You didn't have to, brother. It's all good. And House of Traps as well with the bits. You can just watch, man. It's fine, totally fine. Chur and Phoenix. What tea are you drinking? Oh, just normal tea with almond milk. I got that team viewer as well. I had it on my PC for ages when we put the notifications on the bag. Best streamer that ever walked the earth? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so we can try give it a go maybe tomorrow or Saturday. I know I'm going to be away Sunday because it's my daughter's birthday. Can we do a house tour? Oh, there's nothing spectacular about the house I'm renting, brother. Mean Mondays and Samurai. Thank you guys, you didn't have to do that. Yeah, so her birthday's not till the Monday next week, but we're going to have it on the weekend just because most of her family's available. Oh, even mine as well. JV, thanks for gifting us up, brother. You didn't have to. And Samurai as well. Okay. Is that done? So we're gonna do the mask today. Cheers, XA. I'll do a stream making the cake. Naps of Luke. Thank you, brother. You don't have to do that. Okay, guys, back on our mask. We're almost finished. Like, nothing much left to do, other than bits of cleaning here and there. But I'm gonna show you. You know what it looks like. Okay, I'm getting hot. Okay. So you guys will be on this today. Let me just scroll back because I know I would have missed a few. Moist Muffin, thank you for the bits, man. You didn't have to. You can just comment without giving those. And Pro Sniper as well. Love the vibes, man. Oh, thanks, brother. There's some sick art right there. Oh, Puffin too, bro. Thanks for that. Foodbooks Gaming, thank you very much as well for the sub. Now if you are new here, that goes for Dane as well, and Blind Reaper, Ellie Tractor, and you guys. So if you guys are new here, you can watch for free, and Broxh Dinosaur as well. It's all good. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little bit of work on the head up the top here, just because I can't really do it from the angle where the camera is. Man's new to the stream, but I've seen all the YouTube videos, all the vibes in the carving. Hey, Chur! Sir I hope I said that right, but thanks for that, bro. You didn't have to, though. And Mac, Bob, much appreciated, brother. Max Pro, Tallish Plant, and Amita Bob, and Lord Von Jack. Thank you very much, guys. You don't have to, though. You're the big brother to us all. Oh, cheer, brothers, XC. How are you, anyway? How are you guys going? Now, if we have any viewers from Lebanon, if you feel comfortable here just to chill, just come and chill with what's happened. Okay, just gonna cut the noses out, no, nostrils. Have you messed up and started again? No, you just don't make mistakes, brother. You make adjustments. The title. Yeah, bro. I suck at coming up with titles, so I just did that. How you is the real question? Yeah, I'm alright. I just had my tea to start my day and an apple, so I'm pretty good. Love from Lebanon. I love you, Lebanon. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Whakairo's out today, mate. Why can't Humpty Dumpty be in the stream? Oh, I don't know. Can you speak Maori? I cracked that apple open like a beast. Yeah. It's like my cousin and he watched me do it and he go, what the hell did you just do? So I said, oh, just half my apple. One for now, one for later. Bakalaka. Cheer, brother. For that, you didn't have to. What got me into carving? My uncle, he introduced it to me at primary school. But this is something. So when I found it and started doing it, from that moment on, I knew this is all I wanted to do. Or not the only thing that I want to do, but you know, the path that I want to take. Oh God. Sergeant Suicider. Holy shit. Too early for that, brother. Holy crap, that's too much, bro. Thank you though, brother. Get some Broxh loves in the chat for Sergeant. Because we got a Broxh lovey mate now. Hold on, guys. Wonder if my thing is working. It's still a work in progress. Wonder if Infernix knows about these. Do you have 0 wood chips? Yeah, it's still not clocking it, eh? Neff, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I'll be back. Cheer, brother. Hey, been there since the little times, and I think I might have helped by showing off to me. Yeah, cheers, Zixie. You know you didn't have to, brother. Well, thank you, my bro. Hansi, what's this new? Kia ora, bro. Hello. So this is a face or a mask. So I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, brother. We're the native people to New Zealand. So virtual fist bump to you, bro. Yeah, cheer, Pura Mobile. Cheer, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. And Boba Bomber. Cheer, bro. You didn't have to do that, my bro. Yeah, so this particular art form to our new brother. Another month down, my boy. Cheers, Snake Eyes. Cheer, bro. So yeah, to the new fella that asked. So with my people, brother, we had no written form or language. The way we passed down our myths, stories and legends was through song and dance, face to face as well. So we were more of an oral culture as well. And most of all, carving. What I'm doing now. We didn't have the luxury of pen and paper until a certain someone by the name of Captain Cook came along. Oh, thanks, Moist Feet. Cheer, bro. Swordberg. Thanks for that, brother. You didn't have to sub though, my man. I made a tour in Peli this morning too. Oh yeah, last night, sorry. No, this morning. Go on. The golden stuff. I'm no gold fella. It's the guy Taika Waititi. I'm not Taika Waititi. For a couple of weeks, you're a diamond man. Chur Thingamabob. That's a cool name. Chur, bro. And Sewa as well. Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. So I'm just gonna try and cut these nostrils out. Parker. Thank you for the bits. You didn't have to though. Oh shit, it's my first cousin's birthday today too. Oh god, he's Bolter boy as well. Sure bro, how are you? Don't have to do that, brother. Oh, Bolter boy. Okay. Making my day much better. Oh, cheers, Ryan. Oh, we just started, brother. As long as you're happy, that's all that matters. I had to. Oh, bucker. Didn't have to, though. And, Zombo Tronkia. Cheer, brother. I am fire, I am death, smoke. I am cold. Oh, black bean down. Yosh. Hey, cheer, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Just know you didn't have to, though, brother. And A Cook as well. Yo, Zixie, can you type in exclamation mark points, brother? I gotta see if this bloody point system's actually working. Aloha from Hawaii, you're the best. Cheer, Blue Black, kia ora. Why are you so pro? I'm not even a pro, brother. At all. So this points thing ain't working yet, okay. Damn it. So that's something I gotta figure out again. Good job, mate. Keep it up. Hey, thanks, brother. Broxh plays Apex? Nah, bro, I don't. Hold on. Just wanted to say thanks for the streams. I've been watching you on YouTube before. I decided to jump on and watch you. It helps me with my depression. So happy, so full of life. You've been helping me so much. I thank you for everything you've done for me. Hey, ninth wolf, brother. Bro, as long as it helps, brother, that's all that matters. Good to hear it, you're doing well by watching the stream, brother. That's the main reason. Well, thank you very much for that, brother. What's the uptime? Did I miss my... No, we just started like 20 minutes ago. Cheer, B-Roy. And I'm already a fan. I don't have a good name. Cheer, brother. Thanks for that, man. That is a pretty good name, though. Oh, fuck, I almost dropped it. Is that mahogany? Nah, bro, it's Totara. So it's a native red pine to NZ, brother. I myself haven't carved mahogany, like ever. so I can't really say. You're breathtaking. You like beer? Oh, I don't even drink, brother. Like, at all. Okay, I need a round. I mean, there's a rare occasions where I will, but majority of the time, I'm meh. Doesn't really interest me. Looks like the mask is getting. Keep it up, my guy. Oh, check, bro. What different size carvings do you do? Medium, small. Why do you think carving wood is hard? What do you mean? Of course it's gonna be hard, eh? The only way to make it easy is just by doing it. Whatever it may be, not just carving. You got it on timer restriction. Oh, I didn't even know how I'd done that. I'll check it out later, brother. Yeah, I'll just set it up. I'm still trying to figure out how to use it. Thanks, Otter. Hope you're doing well too, brother. I'm Batman. Thanks for that, brother. For subbing. You didn't have to, though. I'm Batman. And Mad Rugger. Bolladonna. And Levi. Thank you, guys. You don't have to, though. Sorry guys, this music is all kinds of boring. You deserve some cheer, brother. How's the weather in Rotorua? Oh, not too good today, man. Those sunny days were good though. So I'm just cutting out the nostrils, the nostrils as I like to say. Keto monster, ooh, a bit of a keto man. Domain green, thanks bro. Wait, these chronic YouTube ads, bro. Cheers, Dweebo. You're only an hour away from me. Oh, true, brother. Etienne and Fusu. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to, though. You can watch without subbing. Hey. Yeah, I'll sort that points thing out later. I don't know why it's clocking points. Because I still don't know how to use Streamlabs properly. Or hail Smog the Dragon. Cheer, bro. I see that Ninja's back on Twitch too. He streamed late last night, eh? I've seen everyone raving about it. Streamlabs message got deleted by Streamlabs. Streamlabs must be playing up. How you doing, man? Nice looking man. Chur, Charizard. How you, brother? I didn't even set that bloody Streamlabs thing. As if it keeps being annoying, I'll just stop the stream and try to turn it off. How long on average does a carving take to complete? Oh, it all depends on how much time you put into it, really. You can't really determine. Oh, Chur, Eli. Chur, brother. Are those traditional carving tools? Nah, bro, so the traditional carving tools we actually used were stone chisels. Made out of nephrite jade, but we call it pinamu. But also grey wacky river stone, we call it. Oh, we effing already. Stream's lagging big, bro. Ah, here we bloody go. It's because of the storm. Oh, I don't know, eh? Damn, it hasn't done this in a while. It's okay, it's good. Okay. If it does it again, I'll probably head up in Phoenix. How's your day going? Bolter boy, you don't have to comment with bits all the time, eh? You can just say it without them. Is it alright though? Still jamming some ghosts, taking me forever but loving every second. Yeah, bro, I haven't even touched the main story. Wonder if Infernex is in here. Believe in Jesus Christ. Oh, that's your God, brother. I'll say that. Sorry, brother. If I get hate for that, oh well. So be it. Hi, my name is Korg. Sorry, brother. That's I don't. Yeah. That's enough of that. What is your wood carving skill level? Still learning? I don't know, bro. I don't really go in depth that much. Gee, which area are you from? Tuhoe and Taiaha, bro. Finally heard him say it. Sure, bro. Hi, my name's Korg. I'm this pile of rocks waving at you. Their weapon would be really effective against 3 vampires. They were huddled together. Yeah, I don't even think I'm that good. Still learning. Every day's a learning day, bro. I'm not satisfied with where I am at the moment. Never will be. That's just the mindset I've had for a long time. Like when people say, oh, that's amazing, I'm like, meh, it's alright. Do you have a favourite movie? Yeah, or other than Lion King. Sorry about that lag when you're talking about the tools. Oh, okay. So, brother, our traditional tools that we use were stone chisels, brother. So, pounamu was the main resource we used in terms of our chisels. Now, to some, they may know it as jade, nephrite jade, similar, same branch as Chinese or Japanese jade, but much different in grading as well. Sending you a hug from Argentina. Chur, bro. I really like to draw and paint stuff. Things are just out of this world. Bro, all good. I want to learn how to paint for the stream. When did you start your carving stuff? When I was 12. Still got a long way to go, man. Like, I'm never satisfied, eh? Can always be better. Apprentice, I don't know. Just a carver. So the way you become a master carver takes years of contributions towards the tribes of New Zealand, and yours in particular. So it has to be given to you by your tribe. Like at the carving school I learnt it, the master carver there, he's 75. Got a couple gulls flying over. Mate. Hi. Hi. Bro, I don't even know how to say that, eh? Tyranny. Oh, bro, sorry if I said that wrong. Fanta, yeah, I'll hit him up. I'm never happy with drawings. Yeah, bro. Never happy. Oh, satisfied. I thought they said Mike. Wasn't it mine? Do we have any Finding Nemo experts in here that can tell us what the goals are saying? Galadishi, thanks for the sub, man. If you're new here, you can just watch for free. It's all good. My ding-a-ling. Mine. Then I'm not satisfied. Yeah, Tara, I'm the same too. Definitely saying mine. There's some loud damn birds, eh? So like yesterday, me and Mrs. Broxh went for lunch at a park. Man, there were heaps of seagulls there and they're pissing me off. Bacon Gaming and Roger Brett. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though, you can watch for free. It's all good. So the noses are done. We just got to shape the nose on this side now. What kind of birds do you like? So we got a native like falcon here. Kārearea, that's one of my favourite birds. Man, there's just so many here. You should Google a hokioi. Those used to kill Moors in the days of old. They're like giant eagles that used to live here. Cool, I'ma search up what a tui is. Yeah, it's all good. So it's a native bellbird, brother. It's one of the many native birds that we have here. The way it obviously stands out from the rest, it has like white feathers on its neck. Oh, Hast Eagle. Hey, cheer, elastic man. How's the wai, brother? I think I remember you saying you were getting it off. Kept in mind, what is the next project you're working on? So something else I'm working on, brother, is a Taiaha. It's one of our traditional weapons that we have. Here my cast is off. I'm re-landing out of walk. Nice, brother. Awesome, bro. That's good to hear. Bro, I remember when I had to do physio for my army. King Ted, Ruts, Tony Rainey, thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to though. And I fractured it. Yeah, I know, bro. So one's probably in Phoenix, probably watching the quality. Yeah, bro. So I fractured my arm a while ago, like a few years back, and yeah, got put in a cast and had to relearn how to use it. Hope you're doing good too, brother. But yeah, physio was something else. It was a good experience. She goes, okay, your physio is, you're going to be shooting some hoops. I was like, oh, ratchet. Hydrate. They're like, oh, why, what's so ratchet about it? Oh, I'm shit at shooting hoops. That's all. Hydrate for the pro. Okay, let's get this hydrated. Whew. Fish channel on Twitch? I don't know. Okay, put my head back on. Because I just washed my hair. Chur, brother. How are you? How's your mahi? How's your koro? Hey! This little shit just threw bread at me. Obviously, you're amazing, well deserved. I wish you the best and your family good luck with streaming and everything. No wonder I'm getting nowhere with my streaming. Time to quit and give room for more people. I'm the schoolboy G. Nah, keep streaming. Don't go. Keep going, brother. Kinda looks like old Thundercat. Puffy and JT Potts. Thank you very much, guys, for that. You didn't have to, though. And Captain Mind, God, our best wishes from Australia. Sure, brother. And to anyone that's watching in Melbourne, hope yous are alright as well. I know he's at level 4. Is your kid into carving too? She doesn't even know what it is, brother. She's only like, what, almost 2. One thing she's getting into at the moment is Bakugan Battle Brawlers. I was like, what? If you're gonna watch something, you watch One Piece. Yeah, so that's her latest thing to watch other than Coco Melon. Yeah, we're doing quite good, eh? For the Rona. Big Carlton. Oh, thank you very much, brother. Being in Melbourne sucks, but we gotta keep on keeping. Yeah, hard. Lockdown for us was fucking shit too, but it's what had to be done, eh? JoJo's Weird Set. I can't watch that cartoon. Oh, that anime. Keep getting mixed up. It's too cooked for me. I'm only watching One Piece again because Kaido. And it's been mean seeing Roronoa Zoro's development. Still have some more Bakugans. Oh, true, brother. Yeah. She likes because I have no idea what the names are. Eh? Maximus, That's that red dragon. I was like, bro, the only Maximus you need to know is Maximus. Maximus. Gladiator. Yeah, Zoro is probably my favourite straw hat. Coco Melon, the new enemy to PewDiePie. Hold on, I'm just checking out this nose. I didn't realise how big Coco Melon was online. Until yeah, she just pointed at it while I was on YouTube one day and oh okay. Yep, no donation, brother. Oh, Excel Coffee. Excel Coffee gifting a sub to Sandwich564. Thank you very much, brother. Can say thank you to him, God. Oh, come on, bro. The Big Crowton. I hope I said that right, my brother. What is that, brother? Thanks for the gifted, man. You didn't have to. Congrats to those that got their gifted. My girls love watching it. Is that Coco Melon, brother? Yeah, my daughter loves it, eh? I was like, bro, these songs are maddening. I'd rather listen to Matt Colby. Been trying to introduce you to better music. What currency do you use in NZ? Oh, I don't know, dollars. I don't know, brother. Found you on YouTube last week and binged all your stuff. First time catching you live. Love your work and keep it up. Hey, Black Bobby. Cheer, brother. If you have any questions, man, I'll try and ask as best as I can. Answer. You can even DM me as well. Big Bopper, karama, cause you ever thought of doing tāmoko? Nah, brother. Nah. It's not really something that's interested me. Even though, like, all the designs from carving transition into tāmoko. But yeah, it's not something that I wanted to do. Chur, just marks. Chur, bro. Never could stand those kid songs when I was little. AC/DC or nothing. Yeah, no, I was raised on Bob Marley. Like, if we were ever to have like another baby, I asked my Mrs. Broxh if we could name our baby Marley, but there's already a Marley in her family. I was like, yeah, so please. Never get my way. Us males never get our way, eh? Hey brothers, never. Never. Enjoy the sub wherever it was. Nice. I just got mentally abused by some guy in the chat. Feels good. Who? Where, Jack? Oh, Egg Cook, sorry for missing that. Thanks for the subs, man. You didn't have to. Do you actually honour the... Yeah, or someone has to get it first. Diabolical Frolicking. Thanks for that, bro. You didn't have to. Interesting names. What time is it there? 11:30, my dude. Frosty Fresh. Thank you very much for subbing. You didn't have to, though. Yeah. Let's be telling the truth, bro. Don't be a build-ups guy. The tension's on you now. Asgoins and Coonies, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. You're more than welcome just to watch for free, but thank you very much. Someone give me a sub. I can give you a timeout there, brother. Read the rules, my G. Oh, here we go again, eh? Looking good. Okay. Did someone cast a necromancy spell on the stream? Amazing internet skills? Nah, I feel like it's gonna do it again, eh? Like, straight up. Oh, I just got it. Ah, disconnections, brother. How do I say that name? Canadian Giraffes, thank you, brother, and Typhoon. And Charlie's, thank you guys for subbing. You guys don't have to. The stream's playing up, so there's, yeah. And look after yourselves. You're more than welcome to watch for free. Sorry about the disconnection, guys. Whoever the god of internet bags is, he doesn't like me today. Oh, Canadian Giraffes gifted as well. Oh shit. Smog or korg? I would say korg. Terminator. Damn, already 3D months. Let's go, love you man. All the way across the pond in the giant ass continent in Canada. Yo, thanks, bro. For the Terminator? Didn't have to though, my bro. Yeah, I did hear about Lebanon. It's not really good what happened. Chur and Phoenix. Chur, brother, crazy. Been going on any bike rides, brother? Oh, his name was Terminator, so I had to. Okay, that's my goal today. Try and sound out characters with messages like that. Man, it's probably going to be hard, but no, sounds like fun. Kia ora, Wheku Luxman. Kia ora, indeed, bird call. Was actually quite on point. Oh, true, Red Smith. Oh, thanks, Joe Moch. True, brother. True, just... Hold on, let me just pop this nose. Man, that nose is looking all kinds of bigger than the other one, eh? Can you do an Irish accent? I mean, I could try. Should be better now, Broxh. Thank you, and Phoenix. Kia ora, brother. I'm gonna knock this motherfucker out in the 3rd round. You mark my words. Who the fuck does he think he is? I'm the fucking king of Dublin. Oh man, that's hard. Oh, here we go. See, I saw that. Sending the love from Mexico. Hey, brother. Yeah, I just seen it too. Oh, that's more Liverpool, mate. Bro, I didn't know where Liverpool was. Don't forget about Singer. Do you watch boxing? I haven't watched it in a long time, brother. Last match I watched was David Chur and Shane Cameron. Just keeping an eye on this video. Does help me out a lot. I'm thanking you from the bottom of my heart. Hey Scotty, Too Hotty from the WWE. Chill, my bro. If it helps being here, my man, you're more than welcome to just chill here. What about Mark Hunt? Yeah, that's UFC though. Hey Gooch, I'm good, man. How are you? Hello from two wood-loving pals from Glasgow. Hey, cheer, brother. Kermit. Fuck, I don't even know how Kermit sounds, eh? I think I can sound like the orange one. Hey, bird. What are you doing today, bird? I remember watching Sesame Street as a kid. I think my favourite ones were those two old fellas in the opera house. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Watching from England. Hey, brother. You feeling lucky, punk? Canadians represent. Oi, oi. Yeah. How's it going, eh? You keep moving further down the driveway. Grommet. You know, I was carving over here when the sun was out. Hey, JT. About to go fishing. Oosh, Bolter boy. What do you do, bro? Surf casting or fly fishing? Living in Belgium, popping in to say hi. Hey, Llama! Are you gonna download and jam Fall Guys with us? Bro, I got Fall Guys, bro. I downloaded it last night when I was watching you guys. Looks like a cool game, eh? Like, in terms of having fun with the bros. Shout out to the person that from the Fall Guys people that gave the code as well. Chur, Overwatch weeb. This man has so many talents. Yeah, I can probably look in the fridge longer than you, Fanta. Is that considered a talent? I mean, I can eat 14 Weet-Bix. Hey, unfortunately, I got to go. Got some important Canadian business to attend. Just reading Terminator's comment. And by that, I mean there's hockey. Thank you for doing your Arnold impression. That was wholesome and made my day. Cheers, bro. Get in the chopper. Go and play hockey. Get the goal for the boys. Terminator, you have a good one, brother. Thanks for dropping in, my bro. Not trendy. Thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. Do you play any video games? Yeah, bro. I want to go and play Fall Guys with the Eisenachs. Wonder if they're jamming tonight. Are you jamming tonight, brothers? Cherry Thunder. drop some korg lines as Arnold. It would seem you had a special and intimate relationship with the hammer, and losing it was like losing a loved one. How soft. He's still in spell mode. Yeah, this fella's been yelling all week. Just doing the nostrils, guys. Our man's been yelling all week, this fella. Do you play Valorant? Nah. You gonna stream playing Fall Guys? Oh, when I learn how to get good quality with it, brother. With the bag. So I've been trying to learn how to stream games off the stream pack. Oh, I see Mr. Chen Chen emotes. I swear I'm gonna lose my voice if I don't turn caps lock off. I feel like Mrs. Broxh is still in bed, eh? Straight up. She was like, $20 if you can guess what I'm playing on my phone. To me, Sudoku, man. She said, fuck! Oh well, I'm not gonna give their $20 to you, I'll put it on the power. I was like, yeah, it's all good so I can play well. Can't play well with no power. Have you seen the movie Boy? Yes, I have, brother. What does someone? Watch out, Fanta, he might go all, Alpha and Zico on you. Sparkling or still water? Just water. I don't get sparkling water, eh? Like, at all, why it's made. Jason and Linky, thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to, though. Okay, that's that. Kia ora from Brazil. Tēnā koe, bro. What class and race do I play? So warrior, monk, the orcs obviously. I just started playing on Alliance just to play with the brother. Pandaren shaman. And made a druid as well. But yeah, the dumb thing about OCE WoW is everyone loves the Alliance. Rubbish. Hello, Kian. Kia ora, bro. Comedy Half, thank you very much, bro. You didn't have to. Because SL ruined my hopes. What's that for, brother? SL. Okay, so it's looking good so far. When is your birthday? Next month. 28. The Golden Loris, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. You can just watch. What? What is your favorite hero in my All Might, brother? But I'm a fan of how like All For One shows up when he just wastes everyone. Comes in with his suit and just blasts everyone. all this. You're on tonight, eh, Thunder? Just thinking about All Might now. All Might and Bison. Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, I sell them. It sells. Oh, Shadowlands, and they ruined what I was hoping for. Was the straw that broke the camel's back for me? Oh, true, bro. Do you listen to 660 and Fat Freddy's drop? Yeah, bro. But I can't on stream because I don't have permission from their labels. Only lab. I usually play them for the last half an hour of the stream. I've got to put their music underneath the stream as well. Oh, was someone... Oh, sorry, I must have... Yup, I'm on tonight. I was supposed to be on during the day, but I got parent-teacher interviews. Ooh. What are those like, bro? Because obviously I won't have them just yet. I guess they're good as long as you don't hear your kids being a little shit at school, I suppose. Did someone donate 1k? You can't. There's no donation button. What are you trying to do, mate? Have you ever done a stream sharpening your tools? Not yet. I can. I gotta get me sharpening stone. I could get a sharpening wheel, but I don't want to leave it outside, eh? And I don't have any room to leave it inside. I'm one of those guys that doesn't like too much clutter in the house. Open living. I'm a basic dude. Can you use any weapon? What do you mean? Kia ora, my old Sushi Wolf and Odin was here. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Going to One Love. Could be, bro, since Haka's not on anymore. Since Matatini got cancelled. Low-key, I was hoping it wouldn't because I missed practice. But oh well. Is your username after Broxh ago? Yeah, bro. Most definitely is my breather. I feel like listening to Koro2. Bro, parent-teacher interviews at Chile's. Oh, yeah. Like spear, bow, sword. Like, what for? Weird. Feel like you're back in trouble back in school. And you've been sent to the head. Zoo, thank you very much, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. Yeah, bro, orcs are my favourite race. What orc am I in? Matarai. Hypnos. Kia ora, Snack. Kia ora, bro. What tools do you use, Mr. Broxh? So... like now? Okay, brother. So the tools that I use, I really need to get like a little table. I was supposed to get one yesterday, but I really wanted sushi, and that was more priority over a table for my chisels. Where are you from? Aotearoa, brother. King Matt, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. And Bean. Sushi is made important. My mate. How are you today, bud? It's Asmith. I'm good, man. I'm all good. Gonna make sushi for dinner tonight. Ooh, yeah, homemade sushi is the shit too. That's what I asked for my birthday last year. Like, they go, what do you want? Oh, just homemade sushi. And obviously got a cake, but I didn't eat much of it. Baby did. Man, she loved that too, more than I did. When are you going to start making my hockey stick? This guy. I don't carve hockey sticks, brother. Thought all my emotes with kaka's quality till it was my screen. Oh, what are you watching on, brother? Ooh, sushi cake. That's actually not a bad idea, Doof. Oh, yeah. Did you make that from just a block of wood? Yeah, brother. That's alright. Oh, this is what we were doing yesterday, the designing. I pretty much just jumped to something else. Do you like canned fishes? Never heard of it, brother. 14-hour shift, having a beer, watching the stream is just what I need. Hey! Nice, brother. Yeah, so if anyone's got Fall Guys, don't be afraid to link up with people in the chat and play it. Do you like to spam? No, because it's stupid. I meant the food spam. I don't even know what that is, brother. Keep up the great work, bud. Oh, thanks, Myth. True, brother. Wasabi roll. Ah, man, I'm just a fan of the old Californian roll. As long as it's salmon, I'm good, eh? Food spam. So is that what, like eating heaps? Do you do any commission work? Yeah, bro. So my commission books ain't open yet until I finish my current one. Then I'm gonna take 5. I've never had sushi. What? What do you mean? Okay, time to flip this dude on the side. Broxh says awesome his message deleted. I see what you did there. Canned mince. Oh, that stuff. Nah, I never had it, brother. Yeah, I forgot about that. Nah, I don't need spam, man. The only food I eat in a can is corned beef. Okay, I think I can go back to the dashboard. Do you play Apex? Nah, man. Like, never. Oh, I used to play it with the Cuzzy Squirt, but not anymore. Okay, let's pop these out. Yeah, not anymore, brother. Sorry. Yeah, that corned beef stew, goulash. Oh! I try to show Mrs. Broxh and she goes, "What the hell is that?" Mate, don't judge it until you've had it. Sushi wolf. So I was just salmon sushi though. California one. Do you like subjects, physics or astrophysics? Nah, bro. Nah. Yeah, food or an animal not allowed to be consumed by Maori? That's actually a good question. I mean, we didn't eat dogs. So the food we ate when we settled here was native birds and fish as a meat resource. But we also had the sweet potato. Sorry, just eating my apple. Probably have another one soon. Did I miss the apple split? Oh, yeah, I done one at the start of the stream. Probably have another one though. Hey, Ruda. Okay, it's looking good. Yep. It's just what gets asked about the condition of your hair. Oh! No, he hasn't, not yet. Pio. Oh, that's good, brother. Keeps the local fruit seller in business. Bloody smart asses. Do you watch NRL? Not anymore. Hey, do you guys want to know why I was late on stream today? This is some exclusive information that you won't find on World Star Hip Hop anywhere. Thank you guys. Yeah, my work's alright. Nah, I was washing my hair. Usually takes me a half an hour to wash my hair. That's all. That's the big expose. Probably worse than girls. Secret squirrels. Kinnaman, thanks for the sub. Oh, the bits, man. Didn't have to. Started earlier than usual. Nah. Late. Half an hour. Yeah, bro. Takes me half an hour. Yeah, that's just washing it. Gabriel Legends, hey there, friend. Hey, brother. Thanks for the resub, man. You didn't have to. Appreciate it, though, brother. Thank you. Do you brush your hair 100 times? Nah. The idea is to not brush your hair. That's what I do. Never thought I'd see Kitty Kyle and chat. Who? Who's Kitty Kyle? Snipes UK. And here it took place. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Only head and shoulders though. Oh, true. How often do you wash it? 3 times a week. These are the Broxh secrets I'm giving up. Jeez, you're lucky. Premium secrets that I'll give away for free. You deserve it, man. Thanks, brother. Didn't have to, but still. You deserve it. Oh, man. Can we dread your hair? Hell no, I ain't dreading my hair. Probably never will, to be honest. Oh, you know, my ancestors never had dreads, so I don't need them. Or one did, but majority of them didn't. So I don't need them too. That's just the way I see it. Can you send me a hello? I'll just DM you, bro. Hold up, just DMing this fella a hello. Oh, I can't even do it, sorry. Oh, hello, bro. Can be very difficult to me, that's why I choose to cut it short. Oh, true. That's weird. Choose not to cut it really. I only cut the ends now and again, just to speed up the growth. But that's as much of a haircut as I'll get. Helicopter. What you hemming for, bro? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty much just this side left now. You want it to grow even longer? Oh, I don't plan on cutting it, so yeah. Just let it grow. Let it grow, let it grow. I think it's time. What's that for, bro? Probably just get some more chisels. We got a hydrator. Chili beans too, bro. Let's get this hydrated for the brother before we carry on. So we've got to clean here, do that, bring the other side in. It's time for the king. Can you see? I don't even know if you can see. See. Hydration complete. Let's go. I did it, boys. I did it, boys and girls. Namahi. Chur. Think you'll have to pay for the premium account for that. Stella Soul, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Want to make him hydrate again? Oh, up to you. You want to use your followers points? I'm not going to encourage you. They're yours, not mine. Alright, just doing this. Sorry if I miss anything. What kind of wood do you use usually? Just native timber, brother. Your hands must be very callous. Yeah. I don't really care, to be honest. Gotta be proud of those calluses, eh? Just rip them off if you don't like them. That's what I do now and again. If they're annoying, just rip them off. Ross Mick, Archie, and Extra Funner. Oh, fuck. Thank you guys for subbing, and then Unlikely Alpaca. Oh, jeez. Thank you, Unlikely Alpaca. Oh, you didn't have to do that, bro. Bloody hell. You, my friend, are crazy man. You understand me? Another hydrate from Kaya. Oh, good. Got to have Kaya now. Two hydrates, okay. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, I'm ready to put my chisels in. Hello, guys. The rain is starting to fall. Ugh. Let me just move everything out of the rain. Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. 3 hydrates. Okay. Was it 3 or 2? I can't tell. Oh, but Kaya? Zark? Oh, it was 2. Okay. What are these ads, man? Alright. Whew. Overhydration. Oh, it's not like I'm gonna chug it. I know when to. Gonna make him need a piss. Sure, bro. And Chris killed a brother for the sub. Didn't have to though. Ngā mihi, brother. Ngā mihi. Hena, I need another chisel. Let me play among the stars. Where is my 12-6? Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Here's my 12-6. Alright. Can't find it. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back now. This man's water capacity. Oh, come on, disease. That's already been done, bro. Bit late, my man. Just taking these lines or these high to the end. Once again, for our new ones, a high is means to cut or cut. A high also is a 12 chisel, the one that I'm using, a V chisel. And yeah, it's just what the technique is called as well. I think this one will break because I went too far to the edge. It's all good though. It's gonna be, take it easy. Sorry I'm missing your guys' comments, I just wanna get these buggers out of the way. Here we go. Bye. She's just a beautiful woman, and she had so many. She would leave all her relatives at home. See you in Penguin, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Kia ora. If you're new here, my bro, you can watch for free as well. It is totally fine. 8-bit gamer. In terms of merch, bro, I'm already doing that, so thanks for the offer, but I'm all good, brother. Thank you. Pipes are lubricated. Let's get these butts done, then go back to the figure down the bottom. Were you playing Ellie with Panda the other night? Yeah, last night. Yeah, Candy Cane. Tēnā koe hoa, kei te pēhea koe. Oh, kei te pai pala. Kei te pēhea koe. What do you do with all the carvements you make? Like the carvings? Sell them? Some are commissions as well. Probably Spencer. Thank you very much, brother, for subbing. You didn't have to though. You can watch for free. But nah, mihi, bro. Thank you. I was watching the stream and the banter was hilarious. Makes me miss Maori's. Oh, this is how we are, brother. Shot for tuning into the Broxh stream. Keep up the good vibes. Cheers, just in time. Thanks for the resub, brother. You didn't have to though. Who's Jack? What's this Jack person doing? Oh, and Devil's Leviathan. Thank you very much as well, brother. Everybody's day, please. You can even start a vote to see if they want to. Oh, you can't do votes on phone, brother. So sorry. Kingpin Dragon and Home Dude. Oh, Home Dude. However you say it. Gee, brothers, he's done. Oh god. Caboosium, the Joker, and Nullik. Welcome to the whanau, brother. Welcome to the family. Just for next time, man. You can hold your subs. Just remember to look after your guys' selves as well. Still hard to... Oh, who the... Oh, come on, bro. What the hell? Caboosium. Oh, come on, dude. What the hell? Yo, Caboosium, bro. Thanks for that, man. You didn't have to do that, though. I think he just lagged the stream out, but it's alright. Bro, that is too much, bro. We have a 3-way tie for first place on subs. Oh, there's no need for that. Good guy, good stream, he deserves it. Oh, Chur Caboosium. Just yeah, you can just come and watch, brother. But with that being said, to everyone that received that gifted sub from the bro, say thank you, please. Say thank you, guys. Best thing to do when someone shows that kind of generosity, eh? Good old rain streams again, whanau. Ratchet. Thank you for not giving me a sub. Yeah, but really? Don't be like that, man. Oh, chill, the streams are... Oh, chill, bro. Yeah, they're pretty much like this all the time, bro. I'm so happy that you read my text. Oh, cheer, Baldy. Cheer, brother. Cab drivers, reason why is because coronavirus is out there. I'm seeing, families around me are crumbling, and it only makes sense to look after yourselves first. So don't assume, man, you can ask. Like car drivers, you can ask, bro. Wholesome to troublesome. I don't know. I know people know how to troll with a fine art. But, I don't know, brother. Wood carving as a hobby. Just start. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, because that's what makes you. The entire pandemic trying to spread some. Oh, nice Caboosium. Yeah. Like at the beginning of our lockdown, yeah, I was working from home, and then well, I was waiting for it, to be honest. I felt like it was going to happen. I was carving at home, so I used to carve for a tourist company here. Then we got let go eventually. I was like, not surprised. I mean, our borders are locked, so well, they were shut. Aloha, brother. How's it? Hey, Mr. Frenzy. Kia ora, bro. Are you and your partner already? Are you a partner already? You deserve it. Oh, John. Oh, the tick thingy. Yeah. Heaps of people keep DMing me. Bro, you gotta show your tick when you talk in other people's chats. No. Just be me. Don't really have interest in trying to show that. Where are you from? Aotearoa, brother. Okay, I need another chisel. I need my 3. Where's my 3? Nope. Whakairo. Hey, Chur, mate. Chur, brother. How are you? Chur, my... Yeah, no need to be sorry. That's all good. Good night. Have a great day. Night. Oh, Chur, legendary boy. Chur, brother. Chur, cause, yeah, it's just how we are. Just kick back. Oh, thanks, Planet Zeno. Chur, brother. Oh, yeah, the birds are going hard, eh? Oh, Chur Caboosium. Yeah, it's in my native tongue, brother. If I'm lucky. Kosovo. Keep spreading. Oh, true. Had a big car crash outside. Oh, true, brother. Bro, as long as the people are alright and your shoes are alright, that's good. Yeah, there was like a big bust out here this morning when I was watching Spell's stream. There's some naughty neighbours across the road. What is your favourite type of wood to carve with? Ah, bro, anything. Any native timber to New Zealand, bro. As long as I can get my carvings done, don't really care what it is. I think the worst timber I've ever carved was pine. That shit, man. That shit. You deserve a statue. Oh, I'll have a sour fang one, please. From Blizzard. No. Yeah, mine just for kicks are still spelled out, I think. Wait, Blizzard in? Nah, it's all good. I was just joking. Can I donate to your channel, please? No. Yeah, Kaya. So warm over here and it's 2 AM. True, bro. Yeah, I seen a video of is South Fang your favourite character? Nah, it's Broxh, then him. Oh, everyone from the South Fang line, really. But he doesn't acknowledge that he's a South Fang. He never has. Is that foam styrofoam? Oh, yeah, it's cushy. You're all good, Maya. It's quite funny. What time is it in? Oh, it's just after 12:30, brother. It's actually lunchtime. I think I need another apple just to get me through the stream. What the fuck? What's everyone WTFing for? I don't know what happened. Damn Dragon PC. What did Dragon PC do? Get something nice for yourself, my friend. Oh, bro. Oh, probably get a wood. Yo, Dragon PC, brother. Bro, that's too much, bro. Oh, what? I mean, there's an auction coming up for a tree. I might try and do that. What are you angry about, Roderick? Got something to say, brother? There's a camera connected to your PC, but yo, Dragon, thank you very much for that, brother. You didn't have to, though. Appreciate it, brother. Holy hell. Is there a donation button? Well, if you scroll down below the stream, my friend, you will go down there, you will see there's nothing. Heard you. Yeah, Panda, the golden. Yeah. Thanks to you guys, it was all you, not me. I mean, I can't follow myself a million times, so you can't anyway. So yeah, it's because of you guys, man. Do you have any pets? No, we're not allowed any, bro. Our landlord won't allow it. I was like, oh. I was like, don't you like animals? She didn't appreciate that. Posture check for the bro. Fair, so every carving I do is right now. I don't store any carvings I have. I don't have like a secret supply of carvings that I just sell off. Everything is made in front of everyone. I think it's much better when it's done that way. Good man, in your back. I'm good, brother. Yeah, I usually roll out my back before I start. Do a few stretches, scratch my ass a little bit, then roll my back again. Up the gumboots, yeah, bro. Okay, let's do this army. I'm 18, already got back pain. Oh, true, brother. I think seriously not a grill. Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Interesting. I only just found out what a grill is, eh? I was like, why is everyone talking about like a barbecue thing? Do you stream well? Hopefully soon, brother. They're like, no, a girl is a girl streamer. I was like, oh, right. I was like, okay, interesting too. PB Hole. Thanks for the sub, brother, you didn't have to. Is there any timber you really want to carve with? Why are you happy with natives? Yeah, I'm just happy with natives, brother. If he wants to treat more for him getting... oh, bro, yeah, I'm gonna start looking into some more wood, but... Dragon, no, that's enough. No more, please. I don't have no idea. It's like my koro native fell out on his property, and I was like, yeah, can I have it? I was like, why? You're not even that good. I was like, oh, this guy. I was like, go on, man, my hips work better than yours. I think it was his uncle, not too sure though. Someone asked. Sorry, I missed that too. Who got you into woodcarving? So it was my uncle, brother. So back in primary school, brother, I was 12, and so every Friday we would have different like subjects outside of normal school curriculum, if you will. And yeah, carving was one of them, brother. And I just jumped in because it was my uncle. Then didn't stop. The Reverend Lovejoy, gifting a sub. Didn't have to. Gonna go get my ass to do some cutting. Hey, true, cuzzy squid. Oh, good. Can't smash the gym, cuz. I done the points thing, but they're not clocking in. So I'll still work in progress, I would say. How much does an average one of your carving go for? Well, it all depends, eh? Like, just like just leading by good example. I want to make it affordable. Because something like this goes for $5,000. So I'll probably be doing like small to medium sized commissions. I can do small intricate carvings as well. And it all comes down to delivery as well. But I'll do that myself. Tutu with the cuz you'll get it. Yeah, check cuzzy. Do you have a website? Nah. Best way to talk to someone about that is talk. Message me. Way better. Don't need a website to do that. Kini anata. Okay, just gonna do this. Let's get these hands drawn up. You're looking a bit uneven, gang. Freaking sick. Oh, too, bro. Thanks for that, brother. Favorite album? That's a bloody hard one, eh? Favorite album? I actually don't know, brother. That's like, there's just too many, brother. There's some tuis behind me. Where in NZ are you from? I am from Rotorua, but I was also raised in Duatahuna, so it's a small like place that's hard to find. It's like 2 hours outside of Rotorua in the bush. Surrounded by dense bushland and mountains. It's kind of like a fortress made by nature. Well, it is, I should say. Do you have kids? Yes, one with another one on the way. When they next going home, I actually have no idea, cause I got no waka to get home, no car. So one day, cause I wanna take baby up to go and see her auntie again at the Urupa. Her namesake. We haven't seen her since she was like, when baby was, probably a few months. Hey, there's Spawny. Poggers. Oh, Malachi, you didn't have to give those, man. 1.5 comes. It's dead. Shut up, man. Cornish, thank you very much for the sub. Brother, you didn't have to. Which clip was that one, Maya? So I'm just beveling the arms, or the hands really. Just so when you cut these, the edge won't break, or the part that you're going to cut anyway. And it makes it look a bit better. My pleasure. Oh, true. Oh, true, Malachi. Yeah, he was up today. I thought you did. Just crapulation. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Spell still streaming. Oh, gee. You didn't know what clips were. Are you bilingual? Yeah, bro. I grew up speaking Maori first. I didn't know how to speak English. Oh god. Crapulation again. Gifting a sub. You didn't have to, bro. Can't get over that name, eh? Boom. And Minotaur. Thank you very much as well, brother. You didn't have to, though. More than welcome to come just watch, brother. But thank you, brother. Oh, jeez. Alex. Cheer, brother Alex. Yeah, God. Didn't have to do that, my bro. You can watch for free, my bro. But thank you, brother. I'm gonna stand them up, eh, so I can see the bloody design. The coil streams to chill as fuck. Cheer, my bro. Spell been going for almost 6 hours. Cheer, how much names has he done so far? I know he was just doing some bombing as well. Is their comp still going? If he's still on in the next hour, fine, let's go wake him up. What's your plans for today, brother? Well, brother, after the stream, I'll probably just some whoreys trying to act tough. Probably just go chill with Mrs. Broxh. I don't know what they're acting tough for. Just gonna jump in spells for a bit. Oh, good, good. They look sick. Oh, you look so good, eh? Can you give me the artwork? Khan, I have no idea who you are, brother. Probably not, man. I can't just give stuff just 'cause. And I haven't even gotten to know you, bro. Nate the Great. Cheer, bro. It looks so good. Oh, it's all good, eh? Yeah, I don't know why they're acting tough. Just want to be gangsters. Okay. Zero Gen, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Please be my boyfriend. No. I'm a father and I love who I'm with. Trio, it all depends where everyone's from, really. What would you give advice to someone starting carving? Just start. That's all you have to do. Just start. Bladesmith and mediocre gamer. Thank you guys for subbing. You just didn't have to. Cheer the therapist. Cheer, brother. Thank you, my bro. Okay. Just making sure the spirals are the same way. Jeez, I might have to move the stream so I'm not so exposed. Kate Mullen and DJ Struggles. Oh god, and Ram isn't here, and Skywolf. Oh shit. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free. I think I'll put it down now. Yeah, just wanted to show you so what we're doing. Okay, Quinn69 shed, mate. Yeah, he's got a nice shed, eh? His streaming room. It's bloody cool. Mr. Hydration, yeah, pretty much have to because they redeem it. Makes sense to. Can I buy that, bro? He could have said hello, or like people just say hello, bro. I'm not gonna sell it yet. I want to finish it first. Arcade Sugar, thank you very much, man. You didn't have to. Where's my rubber? Hold on, guys. Can't find my rubber, so just use chisel. Oh, God. Chur Bladesmith. Jeez, didn't have to do that, brother. Holy cow. Thanks for the gifted subs, brother. Once again, you didn't have to, my bro. If anyone received one, just say thank you. Hold on, guys. I can't even get this music. Can you show us your two Macy's chisels? Yeah, maybe later. I just want to do this first, bro. Sorry. How's your day been? Dolo. Cheers, bro. Yeah. Are you already injured? A hand. What? What do you mean, brother? I don't know what you mean, bro. Are you already injured a hand? Have you already injured a hand? Is that what you meant? Hit sheet metal. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? Okay. Manatua pea soana mua Fa'aalo alo I tangata matutua. What's your favorite anime? Probably just My Hero, brother. Subway. Hey, Sky Stark. Or Lark. Is it Stark? Oh, Lark. Okay. Kia ora, bro. For that, you didn't have to, brother. Why did you decide to take up carving? Well, at the age of 12, brother, it pretty much all started from there for me. It's been a big part of my culture, and I've always had a big love and passion for my culture and my people, the Maori people. And I'll put it this way: if someone asked me to go and work for a big company Or this. I choose this. I've always had a big love for my culture, and something I'll be doing for the rest of my life. Well, I want to, or I will. Sorry. Tuiluma Malosi Awata Fefe Leoti Ole atua e pui pui oe Yesu ele ole o mamoe Whaamalosi. TikTok boys got you. Hell, bro, I don't even use TikTok that much. Nice nose, my guy. Yeah, it's got blackheads on it, bro. So many new people. Yeah, it's always good to have new people coming. They ask questions, I'll be all good to ask them. Keto Master, thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to, along with Bethius as well. For something, you didn't have to. Mr. Beast needs to see it. Does he though? Does he? Nah, he's all good. Let him do his thing and I'll do mine. I'm not really fussy. I don't really want him to come in. Do you have a supplier? Yeah, so there's a wood recycling place here, brother. And they have a lot of native timber. It's like a bloody gold mine. And there was this guy selling a tree as well that had fallen down on his property. But he's getting a lot of interest in it. Not just from carvers but also builders as well. So it's all about oh, come on, bro. Holy crap. You didn't have to do that, man. Oh my god. Crimson. Chur, Crimson for that, brother. You didn't have to do that, though. Appreciate it, though, brother. And congrats to those that got their gifted sub. Throw the brother a bit of a thank you. Hold on. Waihiri. Choosing us some jams. Oh, did Spell read us? Hey, true Spell. Cheer for the raid, my G. True Spell. Can we? Oh, yeah, we gotta shut it. Oh, and then we got more of those gifted. Hey, Skylark. Oh, he didn't have to do that, brother. Oh, crap. Okay, some spells in here. Let's play his jams. How was your stream, bro? Did you get through that competition? Thank you, Skylark, for the subs. You didn't have to, though. Appreciate it, though, man. Here's the Boombox 4000. Cheers, Spell. Ever thought about making tonga poodle? Yeah, I've done them. I've done majority of them before. Did you finish the last mask? You're still on it, bro. Humanity did. Thank you for the bits, you didn't have to. Cheer for playing my music. Yeah, all good, spell. How was it? If you're from Aotearoa and you know this song. Okay, where's my shoulder? 1, 2. Oh, yeah, heaps of space. Hello from Germany. Cheer, brother. How are you? Got it faced up. Was the server crashing, bro, or did you just get through the comp? Crumping girl. It's not crumping girl, it's crumping auntie. Ko crumping auntie ke to. Do you do song requests? Nah. Because people will ask for licensed music. Oh, DJ Pixel. Hey bro, there's no donation button. Take your surfboard and go and clout surf somewhere else, my man. Yeah, it's not crumping lady, it's crumping auntie. This guy trying to comment like he donated something. You haven't been here long, eh, bro? There's no donation button, brother. Dude, 700. Wow. Is Stephen Adams your cousin? Nah, bro. I know of him. He doesn't know me though. What the hell? I got trolled. Chur, Trio Raptor. Have a good one, brother. Ooh, here's the winning beat here, whanau. Bring a dono button for me. Nah. Greatest woodcarve ever made? No, brother, never. Nah, brother, no, I'm not, brother. I'm average. Keto Monster for gifting a sub as well, and Samo to Sodge. Right, that name. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Donation button not found. The winning beat. You know it, brother. Come on, DJ Pixel, man. Take that surfboard off, bro. Exclamation mark socials, bro. All good, Barnstormer. Cheers, brother. So I'm just trying to smoothen out this this arm because it looks a bit rough. What the hell? Karuki. Oh, come on, bro. There's no need to do that, brother. You can just watch for free. It's all good. Thank you, though, brother. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, say thank you. But cheers, brother. And also, there's someone else. Pacifist. Kia ora, let's go, Broxh. What tree is this? Oh, cheer, bro, for resubbing. You didn't have to. So the tree itself is called Totara, brother.